Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I'm going to be sharing my big AGO haul, and it is everything under 500 rupees. So I hope you guys really like this video. Subscribe to my channel, it's absolutely free. So I'm having this big Jola bag completely full. Let's get started. A really beautiful top. It says on the shoulders over here, forever or never. Again, a soft cotton material. Next I got this Superman collection from Dynamics again, and this is how it looks. It is really beautiful. Always wanted to be a superwoman, so at least not superwoman, but now I'm a super girl. So it says girls rule with the sequin print on it, which goes either red or pink, or you can keep both of them. A soft comfy t-shirt and nice white collar detail over here, and all around you get that Superman logo everywhere. So a really good comfy t-shirt. I Next up is this short kurta from Indie Picks. Beautiful blue color. Now these are sleeveless ones. You don't get any attached sleeves with it. So this is the kind of kurta, and it is having 4 buttons up tied with a tassel, and then again 4 buttons below with the tassel again. So really simple print, but simplicity is what I really like for Indian outfits. fold it from the bottoms because it's too long for my liking. But yes, this was again a very beautiful top. Next up is a really comfortable hoodie. I just loved this when I got it. So this is again from Teen Spirit. You get a hood over here. You have here the drop shoulder pattern and 3/4 sleeves. It is really cool, like trendy yo-yo kind of top. I really like it, and especially the pattern of the strings you get over here is like, I just love this. I just love this one. It is really soft, slightly warm and comfy, so best for this rainy near to winter season. Of Miami Beach vibes, I'm having this yellow shirt over here. Again, a nice this kind of, what do you say, this lace on the sleeves over here, and then you get normal buttons. With this also came an extra button attached. Now the size of this is a little short, so it is a crop shirt kind of thing, but it does look really cool if you wear it with high-waisted jeans. So if you just don't want to show your belly button. So yeah, that is that. Then one kurta. This is from AGO, again a yellow kurta. A simple, this is really simple but something different as well. Here on the sides it is a half cut open like this. You get a slit with tassels. These lavender tassels make it look really good, as from this portion your leg just comes out and it looks really cool when you're walking. So this is a beautiful kurta for everyday wear, but not just simple, it's kind of simple and stylish mixed. So yeah, and from AGO, which I really love, and this is something different which I never had before. Look at this print, it is so beautiful and colorful, and then you get these kind of tassel threads all over so that you can just dance around with these. These look so cool, you guys. I just love this top. I did order bottoms, that is 2 jeans and one pants from Myntra, but they did not fit me well and I did not like them at all, so I did return them. So I'm just left with one product from Myntra. So this is their Roadster top, a plain maroon top with just the bottom part of it. You get these kind of poking, I don't know what that kind of stitch is, but it is something different, but the color looks really good. And you're having a normal cap sleeves with this, a soft cotton material for everyday wear, so why not. And yes, so that's it. That was all of my Ajio haul under rupees 500. I hope you guys really like this video, and if you did, then hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to join the trend fam. I would meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending. Masih.